Now, another way that you can view the order book of the IDEX order book on the website is to look at the depth chart. So I find this a lot more informative than the price chart. You can clearly look at the price chart, see how the current price changes over time, and other facts like the market depth, the amount of trades that take place, market volume rather. Well, what's really informative is to look at the depth chart. So the depth chart shows you exactly the same information as what you see by looking at the order book as a big table itself. So the red region corresponds to the table of asks. So everything in the red region corresponds to people on the IDEX website who have some number of basic attention tokens up for sale. And so if I buy them at the market price, I'm going to be getting whatever is, if I'm trying to buy basic attention tokens, what I want is the smallest market price. I want to pay the least amount in Ethereum for them. So the edge of this red region is the spot on the x-axis in the red region that has the lowest x-axis value. So the x-axis is the price in Ethereum, and the y-axis is the total number of basic attention tokens that I could buy at that given price. So what I'm seeing is, notice that this is always increasing because this is showing all of the amount of BAT tokens that are available for different amounts sorted from the smallest price first. So what this is saying, if you see this number there, it's basically like, adding up all of the orders that are available. So if I only want to buy BAT tokens at this price of like less than 1.5 thousandths of Ether, then the most that I would be able to buy at that price is 5 or so basic attention tokens. If I want to buy 12 basic attention tokens, then I would have to pay this much larger price for it in order to get it at the market value. Now, on the other side, what you're seeing in this green zone is standing offers of people who are offering to buy basic attention tokens. So if I wanted to sell my basic attention token, I would be taking someone up on their offer that shows up in the green region here. So again, for the green region, if I wanted to sell a basic attention token, what I'm interested in is the highest price I can get for it. And so that's what's shown to me first. And so what this is saying is that if I wanted to sell some basic attention token, then I could sell, up to 4.3 of them for 1.2 thousandths of an Ether. The more that I want to sell, the more, the less of a good deal that I'm going to get. So it's sort of the mirror image of what's shown on the ask side. So, these are separated by the ask side of the market and the bid side of the market. And you'll notice that the smallest price that I can buy a basic attention token for is greater right now than the largest price that I could sell a basic attention token for. And this difference in price, it's like 1.25 milliether to 1.21 milliether. That difference is called the bid-ask spread because it's the difference in the current price, current smallest price to buy a token minus the highest bid price that I could sell the token for. All right, and so again, this is showing me exactly the same information as this list of order books of all of those signed messages of different people offering different amounts for different prices, just in table form versus in graph form.